Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to all the fellow humans who are with me exploring the beautiful attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today we are going to find and dive in the beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called Al-MUHAYMIN. Al-MUHAYMIN is the protector and the guardian. He is the one who sees to the evolution and the growth of his creation, leading them where they are destined to go. Nothing escapes his attention for a moment. He is the one who watches the good deeds and rewards them fully. He counts the sins exactly, not adding to their punishment even an amount the size of a mustard seed. We may find the reflection of Al-MUHAYMIN in ourselves through consciousness and awareness by intently watching actions, words, thoughts, and feelings, and by trying to control them. Abdul-Muhaymin is the one who sees the existence and the rules of Allah in everything, in expression, the name Ya Muhaymin. He watches over himself and he watches over others, guarding them against wrong and helping them to secure the things to which they have all right. Al-Muhaymin, as one of the God's name containing divine secrets, is mentioned not only in the Holy Quran but in all the ancient divine books. If someone who is aware and attentive in both his daily life and his inner life, his outer life and his inner life, writes this name on a piece of silk, holds it over the smoke of burning musk, amber and sugar, recites Ya Muhaymin over it 5,000 times a day for 7 days, and then puts it under his pillow, by the will of Allah, he will dream of the events which will affect both his material and spiritual life in the future. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the strength to incorporate all these beautiful attributes, especially Al-Muhaymin, within ourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.